In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show rulers and guides in Canva. With these simple steps, you will be able to organize your design layout more effectively. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, let's start by heading over to Canva. You'll need to log into your account, and once you're in, either create a new design or open an existing one that you're working on. This will be our workspace for today. To get started with showing rulers and guides, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Look out for the menu called File. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu that we'll explore further. Within the drop-down menu, you'll want to hover down until you see the option labeled Settings. Click on it to proceed. This is an important step because we are preparing the platform to reveal some useful tools to enhance our design process. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll find an option called Show Rulers and Guides. Simply click on this, and voila, the rulers and guides should appear on your canvas. Alternatively, if you are a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can achieve the same result by pressing Shift+R on your keyboard. It's as simple as that. If you're ready to add a guide, you'll need to follow a similar process. Head back to the top left corner and click on File once more. Navigate again to Settings by hovering down and clicking on it. Once you're there, select the option that says Add Guides. You'll find a variety of guide options to choose from, allowing you to customize your layout according to your needs. For example, to create custom guides, let's say we want 3 columns and 5 rows without any gaps. You would enter 3 for columns and 5 for rows in the respective fields. Once you have filled in the details, click on the Add Guides button, and your canvas will be instantly updated with the new guide layout. This organized structure helps a lot in aligning elements precisely and maintaining a consistent design. Another way to add guides is by directly clicking on the rulers themselves. Simply click on a ruler at the side and drag it onto your canvas. This method offers the flexibility to manually adjust and place guides exactly where you want them. These features are really handy and can make your design process seamless and efficient. By using rulers and guides, you ensure that your designs maintain a professional and polished look. So go ahead and experiment with these tools. You might find your workflow improves significantly. I hope this tutorial has been informative and helps you optimize your design workflow in Canva. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our helpful videos. Happy designing!